And now, coming up this Sunday at Sabina Park is the second leg semi-final showdown in the Jamaica Premier League. 4 teams, Arnett Gardens, Cavalier, Firehouse, and Mount Pleasant. Which 2 will be left standing with a chance to become Premier League champions of Jamaica? I love second round semi-finals though. They guarantee excitement because winners must be found. No next game, no next week. It's win or go home, even if it requires extra time or penalties. And based on what happened in the first leg semi-finals, where none of the 4 teams was able to secure an advantage. In fact, the less fancy teams, Arnett Gardens and Firehouse, created the chances to beat the more fancied Cavalier and Mount Pleasant, respectively. But it never happened. So basically, there are no clear favorites going into Sunday's deciders. 90 minutes plus extra time plus penalties if necessary. And so the question is, Arnett, Cavalier, Firehouse, Mount Pleasant, are you ready to